Oh my god.
Bro,
What is that? What is that? Look at big fish. What
everybody,
is
let's
this
get to
big-
war.
Does anyone want to be in a last to leave challenge?
Bro.
If you win the last to leave, you can get a rare item. Last to leave challenge! I'm the real of America!
Everybody, go into the war. Get into the war.
Sell it.
Everyone, go to stage 5 for
war.
Oh, yeah, go to stage 5 for war. Go to stage.
Okay.
You go to war. Go to stage 5, everybody.
Okay, let's go to war.
After you guys, I don't want to die.
I've been a best instructor because this is America, where anything can happen.
Let's go to stage 5. Ah! Oh, I made it up here.
Thank you for lightly
America, where anything can happen.
Yes, anything can happen in this place.
Hey,
Everybody, go to stage 5 for a war. Okay.
Actually, I want to call it brush. Giddy up, horsey!
Hey, Eric.
They finally
Hey,
Hey, bro, it's America! America,
This
America,
ain't
tag!
this ain't Texas. This
America
ain't
tag! America tag! America tag!
a what?
America tag! America tag!
Look at one. Look at one. I gotta start walking a lot. So I lose my red watch. Everybody, if you're trying to buy something, at stage 5, do not kill. Or else you'll be execution. Wait. That's so sweet.
Go and just guess what?
America! Watch this. America.
Fling me. Fling me. Fling me. Fling me.
Yeah, you want this? You want this?
No, just fling me. Fling me.
Yo, you want the super hammer? You want the super hammer?
Yes, I
Fling
do.
me, guys. Guys, fling me.
Okay, so I'll show you what it does.
Fling me.
Look, it launches you super high like this.
I know.
Red watch executioner time.
Black, come to where you get stuff for the super hammer.
I'm giving everybody super hammer, baby. Super hammer for everybody.
Wait. Purple. Light purple. Let's team up.
Yeah.
Wait, can I take?
I own revolver ammo. We can team up. Let's
So do
go.
I own revolver ammo.
Yeah, but
Okay.
no, it smells like air. And the red watches smell like red. Think about my Think about my tent. The air smells like air, and the red watches are red watches.
You can say something about selling, but I don't care.
No.
Today's weather will be the air smells like air, and today's weather will be flying and selling them. What? This is America!
I got no ammo. Garbage stash.
America, boy!
Kill the stash guy.
Oh God, I think I killed him.
Oh.
Doing this thing. I just shot. I just shot. He was rocking. America. America. Giddy up, horsey.
Giddy up. I'm sorry. I had to
This
execute.
is a deadly weapon of mass destruction.
Oh God. I need ammo.
Today, the air will smell like air, and kids are gonna be adopted.
Just wait until it turns gassy.
Bro,
That's funny.
rabbit. A rabbit. This is why America's rabbit time.
It's D-Day, everybody.
Purple.
It's D-Day.
The miracle rabbit.
The American rabbit. The American rabbit.
Bro, I'm on. Adopted and sold today.
I can't. I'll try to.
We'll find out that they're adopted. If you guys kill the rabbit, I'll give you $100. King, come here if you want to go fishing.
Wait, don't kill me. I'm at the shop. Don't kill me.
Kill the rabbit,
I
I'll
can't
give
kill
you
people who's
$100.
at shop.
I'm at the shop. If you kill me, I'll give you $100. I'm at the shop. If you kill me, I'll give you $100.
But no one.
I'm crying.
I didn't start yet. It doesn't count.
Hey, don't kill. I'm at the shop. Don't kill. I'm at the shop, okay?
Okay.
Oh, get it back.
Wait, don't kill me, Ron. You're
Get
at
it back and I'll give you $100.
Oops.
Me and Henry go way back.
Okay, ready?
Wait, no.
1, 2, 4, 1.
Fine then. It's not gonna be bad on this one. The best way to solve problems. The best way to solve problems is. Oh!
Roll!
I survived! I survived! Not.
Hold on, don't kill.
Not
Man.
anymore.
Don't kill people on the shop. That's at the shop. Don't
Solving
kill
the
people.
problem.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Solving the problem.
He's killed.
Oh God.
Yeah, 1, 2,
Oh, there's
What
my
did you expect? Me and Henry go way back. Me and Henry go way back.
Oh God. Bro, keep going in war, be like.
You're
Giddy up.
adopted.
Hold on.
Oh God.
Look, the army. War 2.
Kill me, dummy.
Oh, I feel free now. I feel so free.
No, where's one? Wait, I forgot to get ammo!
You're good at
Giddy
Gidiyor bak.
Bro, I'm at the shop. Don't kill me. I'm at the shop.
I know, me too.
You can't kill people at the shop. You're gonna get executed by me.
Hey.
Hey, do it. Jay!